Okay, last week I took an effort to leave my cave and went to a local shop. It was a hardware slash gift shop. They were selling hammers and water bottles, which is doesn't connect anything else. So when I went there was nothing to buy, surprisingly, because I always prefer buying on online, like because online is far more cheaper and far more quality than usual. So I can't leave there empty-handed. So I bought this thing here. This is a $1 earphones. Yes, my friends, this is a $1 earphones that I bought from my local shop, and I'm gonna make a review about it. Before I make a review about it, let me tell in today's video sponsor. Well, who would sponsor this small channel actually? But you can by subscribing to this channel, guys. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and let's get into the unboxing here. Before we unbox this thing, I want to read these feature sets they put behind this box. So, specification: open, air, dynamic drivers, 10mm drivers, power handling capacity 5 meters. What? Oh, okay. Accessories: 2 earpads and 1 compact case. You know what? Screw this thing, and I want to get into this unboxing here. Okay, they promised me they have a compact case, and I want to know they have a compact case inside or not. And surprise surprise, there's no case inside, and they didn't take any effort to cable manage inside the box. You know what, it's far more better than other earphones that I bought, because they have a braided cable here, but for no reason the braided cable is so thin. Performance here. So always first impressions is important, and the first impression is, you guys look at here, look, I can pull more inside. Okay, let it, they don't have anything left or right, so I'm just gonna YOLO it and just wear this thing. What? Okay, first impression, it's painful and it's cheap, and I'm regretting buying this thing. I think the earpads is quite soft actually, as they told me, and there's no case actually. I think they meant the case as for the box actually. Is the box is the case? They say it's compact, and this thing is nothing compact. You know what? Let's plug it in and hear some songs actually. So our test bench here is PSP, and you guys may be thinking PSP's and amp tag is not that good, but I've been using my headphones with wired actually, the Sulu ST1003, and I've been using this with plugging in this thing, and it sounds pretty much the same. So I want to test it with any kind of songs actually. Okay, I'm still telling you, it's painful when I wear these things, but the sound, it's too low. It doesn't have any highs, and it doesn't have much bass, and from the package they're telling it's super bass and perfect fit. Nothing matched up, nothing makes sense in this box actually, because I'm telling you, still it's painful and it doesn't have much as bass, but it's okay. I can see the use case for these headphones. Let's say you missed your earphones in your house and you went to went traveling, and you guys don't have very much budget, and you want some earphones to hear some music, and hearing music in this thing is a pain, a lot pain actually, especially this thing, this cable slack is always interfering, like even if you move you can hear the wire like scraping around the headphones. Like imagine this thing, put your ears in there and just scrape it up your finger. It's the same experience there, and I can't find the use case for this thing, and they're telling that they have an in-ear microphone. So let's hear the microphone actually. This is the microphone from the $1 earphones. Is it good? tell me in the comments down below. Okay, do I recommend this thing? I don't recommend anybody to buy this thing. Just buy a $2 earphones. I think it sounds far more better than this thing because it's painful. You can't use it for a long term, and I think it will break anytime soon because of the cables. The cables are so fragile actually, and the headphone jack also is quite fragile actually. You can break it anytime. The only person that I telling you to buy this thing is if you guys, as I told you, if you forgot your earphones and went traveling, actually you can buy this thing for a temporary, like don't use it more than a 2 day. After 2 days you can discover many new viruses in your head actually. This is so strange, but anyway, that's been it guys. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and tell me in the comments below should I make a series about it called Too Cheap, and don't forget to check out other videos guys. Thank you for watching and stay safe guys. Bye bye.